I'm going to differentiate a lesson plan based on identifying connotative definitions versus technical definitions. My students will be given a short story where words and phrases are picked out ahead of time, and they'll need to identify whether they are used in a connotative way or in a technical way. The words and phrases will be picked out ahead of time, and they'll have to go through, identify them, define them, and then qualify them as either connotative or as technical. This is for English in the high school context. In order to differentiate this for English language learners, they're going to be allowed to use appropriate technology to get the definitions in a technical sense for each word that is picked out. They won't be working on phrases, they'll just be working on those words. Then, instead of choosing the definition, they're going to draw what this word means. So they'll have a different task than some of my other students. For high-performing students, they'll not only define and identify these words and phrases, but they'll also rewrite the sentence, meaning the same thing, but utilizing different words and expressing it either in a connotative or technical way indefinitely. For my underperforming students, they'll only be given 4 of the 6 words that are used in the short story, and they won't be working on the phrases unless they get to that point. They are going to talk about how these words are used in their everyday lives instead of trying to rewrite the sentences within the short story to mean the same thing. For my average performing students, they will stay at the task on hand using both the phrases and the words, but they will not have to rewrite any sentences. Finally, for special needs students, they will be asked to draw a picture of the words or phrases that are chosen and highlighted ahead of time from the short story to have a fully differentiated lesson plan.